particle scattering experiment, about 1 in 10,000 alpha particles are deflected by more than 90 degrees. For a metal foil, which has n layers of atoms, explain why the probability of an alpha particle being deflected by a given atom is therefore about 1 in 10,000 n. Alright, so let's make sure we understand what's going on. So first off, what I've got is, or what Rutherford had, was his foil. And so that's his thin gold leaf. Now the reality is, it was not one atom thick. He's actually going to have had the first row, and then behind those atoms would then be another row of atoms. And you can imagine that overall we could say there are, between here and here, n rows of atoms. Now, they also told that 1 in 10,000 was deflected more than 90 degrees. So if you can imagine, then the chance that something's going to be deflected is going to be the chance that it's deflected by one layer times by the number of layers. Because in Rutherford's experiment we know that this was 1 upon 10,000. There were any number of layers, and the probability then for being reflected by one layer is therefore P. So if I rearrange that, then what I've got is the probability of being reflected by one layer is P divided by n. Therefore Rutherford's probability was 1 upon 10,000, and that's times by 1 upon n, which is therefore 1 upon 10,000 n. Hopefully that makes sense. Thank you very much.